Welcome back, my beautiful prepping family. I'm here back at it again. I'm here actually outside of a bye-bye baby. Since we no longer have a Babies R Us here, you know, where do people go and buy formula at? You know, this store has baby stuff and baby products that you could go and buy, besides like a Walmart and like small stores that carry some baby stuff, you know, not focus on strictly just baby products. But this store does. It's the only one around here. You know, I'm gonna look at the shelves and see how empty their formula shelves look, and due to the shortage, you know, they're talking about another 2 months until they start possibly getting baby formula back out. But then again as well, you got to think about this. Are they going to be on time due to the fact that diesel is going to be depleted here shortly, in about 2 weeks? So a truck is going to be able to get to us in time with all our products that we need, empty shelves in grocery stores and stuff like that. And today I have my lovely wife with me. We're going to go check this shelf out.
Hi guys.
So stay tuned. We're about to show you guys how it looks inside. So this bye-bye baby is here in Snellville, Georgia. Wanted to show you guys and see if they have any formula. You know, from here we're gonna go check it out in Sam's as well, because I know Sam's carries formulas as well. You know, it's more me trying to give you guys information where to buy that, because I know there's single mothers out there struggling to look for formula and baby stuff and products, and they can't do it all by themselves, so they need a little bit of the help. So this looks like a Babies R Us almost. Let's get straight to it. Got your furniture and bedding back here. Health and baby care. So here goes the baby formula section. And so far they only have one thing of Go and Grow by Similac. And it says the FDA has issued a national recall for the Similac and eliminatum powder formulas. For more information, visit similacrecall.com. Inventory may be sporadic. We apologize for any inconvenience. Possible or limiting 3 per customer. So these shelves are empty here on the baby formula section. It is crazy. And they're talking about another, what, 2 weeks right now?
Mm-hmm.
How long?
About 2 weeks, 2 or 3 weeks.
2 or 3 weeks until they are able to replenish these shelves. But like I was saying, I find that very hard and impossible to do due to the fact of the diesel being short on. This is the rice that people put inside the bottles when they do make it. The grain. At least they have this product to kind of supplement some of the babies, not all the babies. I know infants, it is impossible to start feeding them this type of food at an early age, right?
Mm-hmm.
It's not possible to start feeding a baby
At a month old.
at a month old this type of food on this side. But I do feel bad for the babies that are the mothers actually that are struggling to get formula for their babies. So basically it's what they have left as well.
That's a lot. $31.99 for 1 parent.
It is
One
crazy,
pound.
right?
That's a lot for my mom.
I'm about to go to another store and see if their shelves are empty on baby formula as well. So stay tuned, fellas. Now we're here at the Kroger with the wife, and let's see what they have here inside for the baby formula. So stay tuned and pay attention, people. Stay tuned in your seat. Well, while I'm here, I'm gonna go ahead and record some of the empty spots they do have here for groceries so far. Man, inflation is real. Man, this is crazy and ridiculous. This is the lowest price I've seen in like a few weeks, but they look like they're running low. Hard to replenish back. How low it is. Their oil, low as well. Low as well on the oil. Well, I'll tell you this much, family. Kroger does have Nido. You know, it does supplement formula, but not for infants. You know, just thought I'd share this with you as well. I'm gonna go to another store in a second and see as well their formula section. So this is the baby section in Kroger. Their shelves are empty on the baby formula. This is what is left. You know, toddler, beginners, but there's nothing about infant milk here. This is crazy, man.
This is really sad.
It's real sad. And like I said, it's gonna be an uphill battle when this diesel situation becomes an issue. And it kicks in and they're short on that. You know, because they're not gonna be able to get the formula here once they have it ready to be shipped. Well, there you have it, preppers. We just got out of Kroger. I'm gonna continue to look at different stores and see, you know, and I will keep you guys updated in comments and stuff like that. But, you know, question, you know, how are you guys experiencing this problem with the formula in your states? You know, let me know in the comments. I would like to know. You know, I would like to know how badly is in your area, or if you do have formula, you know, especially for those parents that have infants, newborns, you know, that are still depending on formula.
To all,
you know,
to all the mommies that have infants.
You know, everybody doesn't give milk from the chest, you know, so it's just some people like to use formula, you know, and I know they're having battles to try to find this, you know. So let me know, guys. Let me know what state you're in, which
what's your experience out there with the formula, with the shortages, with the prices, what's going on your side. Let us know. That way we can actually give you more information on our side and see what's going on. Check out more stores and give you guys update.
We do appreciate the love and support. And for those that are new here, please make sure you hit that subscribe button, like button. Those that are already subscribed, please make sure you hit that notification bell. It is greatly appreciated. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.
Bye.